Now I'm sharing sharing the unit one review that you have. So going back again, the first question is just identifying the number of significant figs in the following numbers. So we answered first one is two sig figs, and then for letter B, this is also two sig figs. And then for letter C, that would be three sig figs. And then for letter D, again, this would be three sig figs. You're just gonna count this part here if it is written in scientific notation. And uh, again, the reason why it's helpful to express certain numbers in scientific notation is that you can get rid of those insignificant figures. So just like in this case, again, 4.5 times 10 to the power of -3 can be written as 0.00450. So again, if you can see here, the significant digits are just the last three. These are your significant digits. The zeros in front are insignificant figures. So therefore, writing also, if you have noticed, mostly in physics, chemistry, or physical sciences, you can encounter values that are written in scientific notation. And again, one purpose of that one is that aside from getting rid of the zeros for large values, like the 62,900 here, you can express that one as 6.29 times 10 to the power of +4. But as well as for small numbers, let's say if it's in the nanoscale or in the picoscale, or yeah, the small numbers. Okay, and again, it's only the numbers in front that are considered. Well, you can count that one for the number of significant figs. Again, if it is written in scientific notation. So letter E, on the other hand, it should give you four sig figs, and this one here, letter G, that would be one sig figs. The zeros again doesn't or is not significant. That is why, in some cases, if you're gonna have, let's say, you're gonna express this one in two sig figs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna write it as 9.0 times 10 to the power of, that would be 5 to the power of 5. So in this particular case, in that scientific notation, again, the number in front, that is where you base the number of sig figs. This would be two significant figures. Okay. So instead of just writing 900,000 this way, you're going to write it as 9.0 if you try to if you mean that you have two significant figures. If you have three sig figs, you're going to place 9.00, so on and so forth. And for letter F here, this would be two sig figs. And then lastly here, again, you're just going to base it on this part in your scientific notation, just number. You will not take note of the times 10 there, because if you're looking at the 10, that would be just one sig figs. Well, although in this particular case, 3 times 10 to the power of 5 is just one significant figure.